Hi and welcome to Element Z3, Jamal's Jigsaw. Kenzie loved to draw. Malik loved maths. Sandra loved to play football. Jamal didn't like any of those things. All he wanted to do all day and all night, school or home, was solve jigsaw puzzles. He didn't mind what pictures were on them: beautiful landmarks, flashcards, or adorable animals. He dived straight in and got them solved. Jamal always took a travel sized jigsaw in his school bag so that he could have a go once he had finished eating his packed lunch. Ooh, Jamal's jigsawing again, Kenzie shouted across the dinner hall one rainy Tuesday. How boring, Jamal! Sandra joined in, as Malik pulled a face. If only the other kids would let him puzzle in peace. The dining hall is for dining, not puzzling, Jamal, the lunchtime supervisor said, tutting at the noise. Jamal sighed and packed up his jigsaw. If only the adults would let him puzzle in peace. There was a nice sunny corner in the schoolyard that didn't really get too much of the breeze. It was so nice, Jamal could fall asleep. He decided to complete his puzzle out there. This one was of a fantastic metallic spaceship flying around a colorful rocky planet. In the windows, tiny green aliens waved. Jamal was just about to pop the final piece into place when the bell rang for the end of lunch. If only the school would let him puzzle in peace. Afternoon lessons went by slowly. They did art, which Kenzie loved. Then they did a bit of geography, which Malik loved. Finally, they played football in PE, which Sandra loved. The children were always a bit rough when they played football. Jamal didn't like it. He fell and scraped his knee, which the other children thought was hilarious. His teacher let him go back and get changed early for home time. By the time the rest of the class bustled back in, all sweaty and red faced in their PE kits, Jamal was already back in his neat and tidy uniform. He dug his jigsaw out of his bag while they noisily got changed. The final piece of the puzzle clicked perfectly into place, and suddenly a beam of light flashed. All the children fell silent, looking around in confusion. A strange sound filled the air, like the loudest siren the children had ever heard. Jamal and the others clapped their hands over their ears. There was another bright flash of light, and the siren stopped as suddenly as it had started. The children all gasped. The room was filled with tiny green aliens, the exact tiny green aliens that had waved at Jamal from his jigsaw puzzle. As quickly as they had appeared, they vanished. So did the rest of the children. Well, at least the aliens let Jamal puzzle in peace. Question time. Draw lines to match the children to their favorite things. What day is this story set? Circle the correct answer. Use information from the text to complete these sentences. Use two adjectives to describe each of the features of the puzzle Jamal was working on. Put the events of the story in order by writing the number 1 to 5. Do you think aliens really arrived in the classroom? Why or why not? If you were Jamal's friend, how would you help him? Answer time. Check every information. Try to answer in complete sentence. Kindly don't forget to revisit your spellings. Here are the next set of answers. Thank you for staying tuned. I hope you liked the story. Till then, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Thank you.